Alright, how's it going, everyone? So it's been blazing hot in the UK, but that's not going to stop us to create an inbound marketing engine using Abdul. Now, Abdul is an Hermes agent, which we have created earlier in the previous video where we connected Abdul to a Google account. Now, the way it works is going to be very simple, where you got a website and then you will have the form where the visitors are going to fill out the information if they agree to do so. And then Abdul is going to capture this information, store that to the Google Sheets, and then it will send a JSON data via Webhook to Hermes Agent, or in this case, it's Abdul. And then Abdul will send the confirmation email and also a calendar invite for a meeting. Now, for the website design itself, we're going to specify everything in the landing page marketing.markdown, right? So that's going to be the requirements. Let's say if you have requirements related to the type of images, and if you want to include, because this is going to be a landing page, then what's the company profile is going to be, right? So everything is going to be captured in the landing page marketing. Okay, so for caveat, this tutorial is not going to be in production ready. And the reason why is because everything is installed locally on a laptop, as for the previous video. The ideal scenario is that you're going to be hosting your website somewhere using a web hosting service. And for the webhook, you're going to be using a secure tunnel like Cloudflare, for instance. The reason why is because you want to make sure that no one is going to bypass your website or injecting something harmful to your Hermes agent via webhook if you're not tunneling it properly using Cloudflare. And also, since the Hermes agent is hosted locally, if you turn off your laptop, then it's not going to work. So you want your Hermes agent to be hosted on a VPS somewhere where the server is running 24/7. Okay, without further ado, let's dive in. Now we're going to have to enable the webhook, and it's not rocket science. What you need to do is you need to just simply ask. So I'm going to ask Abdul to give me guidance on how to enable the webhook for Hermes agent. Okay, so within a couple of minutes, it's gonna reply. It's currently looking into it, and yeah, let's see the result. Okay, we got a reply, and it's a very long one. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do this instead. So I have already opened, because if you're doing this, it's gonna be on terminal, which is quite painful to do, right? So I have this opened. It's in here. Okay, now we can search for it. I think it's called platforms. There you go. And then what we need to do is we need to add the webhook bit. Yeah, so I'm gonna copy this bit and then go back with this. Oh, where are you? There you are. Okay, now we need to do a little bit of formatting. Okay. Now don't forget this, and the way to generate the secret, so I'm gonna save this, is by running this command on your terminal. Once you're ready, what you need to do is you need to restart the gateway. So this is the command. Okay, and it's gonna be ready within a couple of minutes, and just wait. Once you've restarted the Hermes agent, you can just simply ask it to do the task for you. So okay, so I said that I have edited the config and restored the system. Okay. Do the webhook test for me, please. All right, so let's see the results. Okay, we got a reply. It claimed that it's working. However, I don't really trust it. So what I would do instead is, not that I would do. What I did instead, I asked it to create like a very simple page, and then it should contain the first name, last name, requirements, and also the calendar and a submit button, of course. And then once the user click the submit button, we should receive an email based on the email that we included. And then also the event. Now it did the hard work and then it's final finish. And the booking form is pretty much like this. So I filled out all the data. So I'm ready to click submit. So let's wait for the email then. Okay, I've heard something, right? So let's have a look. So essentially, we got a booking, sorry, not a booking, an event request, right? Through a calendar, which is gonna be, what's that then? Yeah, I have no idea. Okay, so this is the invitation, which is 9 o'clock, 9:30 to 10, right? Okay, and it's nothing inherently sad about this invitation, but in a way, this webhook is actually working. Also, FYI, I didn't create this. This was created by the Hermes Agent, and as you can see, it's got the submitted at date and the first name, last name, the email address, and requirements, and the booking start, and also the booking end, and also the calendar. So yeah, for the ambitious part, we're gonna be having this requirements.markdown file, and we are gonna describe about the company background because we're gonna create a landing page. And also, we will have the requirements of the website. So the website will have some images where the images are generated by GPT Image 2 that comes from OpenRouter. And then we will have the form like what we have seen before. And then the role for the form is going to be similar, where it's going to capture the data from the visitor, store that to the Google Sheet, and then it will send an email to the visitor to give a confirmation and also invite them to a meeting. Okay, now, because we're going to be using OpenRouter, we're going to have the API key of the OpenRouter, which is stored here. So the directories here is basically in the home directory .hermes and then .env. This is where you store all of the tool API keys if you want to integrate that with something more ambitious. But for our case, it's just going to be OpenRouter and what else? Probably the endpoint, because everything here at the moment is on my laptop. It's not on the server somewhere. So which means we need to find a way how to route all the local server that is published on this laptop. Now, the prompt to the agent is really simple. Just ask it to create me a landing page based on the description from the file that we just talked about. Okay, so I'm gonna hit enter and let's wait for the results. All right, good news. After a while, we finally got the landing page. So this is the location of the landing page, and it's everything in here, including the readme.md and also some assets, right? It says that it's generated the image using GPT 5.4 image 2 via OpenRouter, which is exactly what we want. Got a Google Sheet. Let's have a look at the Google Sheet first. So I'm going to click open, and yes, we got this. This is great. Okay, and what else? Yeah, so everything here, everything is still on the local host. Yeah, so that means it's local to my laptop. If I turn off my laptop, then that's it. There's no landing page. Also, there's no Hermes agents. Oh, there you go. We got it. Okay, so this is how it looks, right? Okay, remote operator view. Yeah, this is not great. We have to change that into something that is much more representative to the synthetic viewing. Anyway, it's not really a problem. It's just an example anyway, isn't it? Let's have a look at the links. Okay, it goes somewhere within a page, unfortunately. If we click this, then it goes to the home page, which is everything, essentially. If we click book a scan, and we will go to this form. Okay, I'm gonna fill this out, and I hope that we get an email. Okay, so let's send the inquiry now then. Okay, it says that thanks, your request has been sent, confirmation email and calendar invite will follow. Awesome. So I guess we just have to wait until we receive an email from Hermes Agent. Oh yay, we got a new email. Yoon, thank you for your inquiry about radiation hardened LiDAR scanner. We received your request and noted preferred appointment time as 27th of May at 18:55. Yeah, okay, so we got the invite. Fantastic. So we got like an hour. Is that an hour? Oh no, it's 30 minutes. Yeah, great. It's working. Let's have a look at the Google Sheet then. Okay, so we got this from the Hermes Agent. Now I'm gonna want to see the Google Sheet where you scroll up a bit. It's got a lot of stuff in here. Okay. So I'm gonna click open and we got Yun and Yang. Sorry, Yun Yang, right? And the email is the same. Okay, this is the same as well. Yeah, it's working. As a reminder, the good practice for this landing page is you got a landing page, and then there's the secure tunnel using something like Cloudflare, and this is your Hermes agent, which is hosted using a VPS that is running 24/7, and the Hermes agent can get access to Google Sheets, and it can send an email as well as the calendar. But you gotta have to keep in mind that having a website itself is not gonna be a way for you to make a lot of money, because once you host your website, then no one's gonna know where it is and what it does. So what you have to do is you need to do a marketing. You can use social media, you can use paid ads, but whatever it is, you need a way to direct the traffic to our website. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this is useful. And until then, see you later.